Good morning, folks. This is Mark Purdy again from Worldwide RV in Mesa, Arizona. We got a unique floor plan here on a 2017 Outback 240 URS. Well, the reason this is unique is it gives you this front storage for your paddle boards, your electric bikes, your beach cruisers, and also additional sleeping and a ramp to load it. It's a very versatile coach. If you had a construction worker that's working that needs to take a lot of stuff with tools and things like that, it's a no-brainer. Come on inside, show you how much room we got in here. So you got approximately 8 feet here with the front bunk room, and then it's all collapsed into the front cap and give you more additional storage for all your fun stuff or your tools or whatever you want to keep safe. Ethan will turn around and give you all the sleeping. So this sleeps 6 easily, and then he'll send you a picture of the shower and everything else with the tub and all that type of stuff. Very versatile trailer, simple to pull. Once again, Mark Purdy, Worldwide RV. Give us a call.